Okay, so we're back. Took a couple days off. Today we're going to be doing the wiring. Now the front, that's no big deal. We can get everything we need in the front real easy. The back, that's where it's going to be a problem. So, how I'm doing it is I want to run everything through the frame. So if you look up there, I have this little snake here. Ran all the way up to the frame, and I have it marked right here where it comes out of the frame. So my game plan, and I don't know if it's going to work or not, you can see right here, that's my snake. So I'm going to bend this up a little bit. And hopefully, when I pull back, I want to go in through a hole right here. A little hard to see. Probably can't see it. But I measured, and I'm 38 inches from the bumper to that hole. So, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to pull this out about 38 inches. And that should put me really close to where I need to be, theoretically. So let's, I don't know, we'll throw the GoPro up here maybe. That's about 29. That's 38. So, somewhere right around here, hopefully, we'll be able to find the end that's over here and pop it out. So to do that, we're going to use a magnet. Maybe get lucky. Hopefully not drop it in. And yeah, we're not going to get lucky. Maybe we'll get a bigger magnet. Okay, so what ended up working for me, I'm not sure how well you can see, but I got my wire tied on. I ended up using this little pick to just kind of hook it and move it up until I got to the end point. Now I got my string tied on, so we're going to go to the back and pull this out, and hopefully the string doesn't fall off and I end up with a string here. And there we go. Now I have my guide, and I'm not going to be cutting this string. I'm going to be running probably 6 or 7 wires through here. So as you can see, I'm just going to tie the wires to the string, pull them through, and then keep tying them. When I run out of string, then I'll just pull it back towards the front of the vehicle, and that'll pretty much reload me. So start running wires. Alright, so we're going to do 2 wires at a clip. As you can see, going with red and green here. Got them all taped up to my string. We're going to feed the string in a little bit. And let's pull it. Hopefully get some wires. And there's my first 2. Felt like I'm getting bound up on something. Yep, a little knot there. So we'll throw those up. Pull out some more. And yeah, we're good. I'm gonna repeat this a bunch of times. Now that we got these through though, we can undo the tape, and then we can just pull this string right back through and start over. So rinse and repeat. Alright, so we are plugging right away. Pretty much got the whole truck wired. Now, as you can see, that's where everything pretty much goes into the truck, over on the driver's side. Right now I'm just working my way back, As you can see, just wire looming my way and putting in these little rubber grommets wherever we need them. So everything, you can probably see everything's all wired. Running lights, high beam, right turn, low beam. Same thing over here. Now as far as in the frame goes, I did run one extra wire just for future use. Just labeled it spare. It's just gonna pop out back here. And you can see these are all here, and I'm pretty much just daisy chaining that side with the you know, the running lights, the brake lights. Obviously I had to run a home run for the right directional. So yeah, it's getting there. I think we're ready to take it off the jack stands. I don't think we need it up there for anything else. You know, the last thing I did earlier today, I did have to go back and bend this because this tube was actually hitting the transfer case. So that's knocked out. Just changed the oil, which I think it had brand new oil in it anyway. So it's almost test drive time. So I'm thinking, take this thing down the street. So we're gonna play Captain Wireloom, get this all taken care of, and get her down and go from there. Oh shit! Before I forget, better put the oil cap back on. All right, so ran out of wire loom, but pretty much got everything done. So you can see, not a whole lot of wires that you can see inside there. So we're gonna start this up and back it out. We are gonna need the battery though. Can you give her the ball?
Come on, let's get in the house. Get in. Go.
Whoops. Sound like I have a wrench somewhere. Alright, she's out. So we're going to clean up this floor to make sure everything's good. I think we're going to take her for a ride. Okay, so I just got under here, and sure enough, every one of these was loose. I already tightened about half, but I figured. Let's see, did I go this way? Yeah, I did. That's where I started. I don't think I touched this one yet. That one's not bad. Yeah, a lot of the leaking was from the far side, and unfortunately that's the side I tightened already. So let's just keep on going, see if we have any other loose ones. Oh, that one was pretty loose. That took like a full turn. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's almost like this one whole side they just forgot about. So, oh, there's a loose one too. And I am just barely, oh, look at that one. Ooh. This is where most of my leaking was, on the passenger side. So yeah, we're gonna make sure these are all tight, and that'll probably solve our leak. It happens. You get in a rush, you put stuff together. I mean, I didn't touch this, but someone was playing back here. They did put this new vacuum module in for the shifter. I think that's what that is. So yeah, we're gonna wipe this down, see if it leaks. Hopefully not. That'd be sweet. I don't see any oil leaking. That's good. Brakes, I don't see yet. They have to be bled though. They feel like crap. Alright, so I got my tripod riding shotgun. So as much as I'd like to have emergency brakes just in case something happens, that's not plausible. So I'm just gonna send it. Look, seat's working. It's the only piece of electronics hooked up right now. Let's just throw this in here and go for a ride. I may lose that tripod. Okay, that was quick. Maybe I'll let it warm up a sec. Or not. Might have to play with the timing in here. Power steering feels good. That's better. That's right. Well, don't know about you guys. I'm calling that a win. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Kevin, I'm pretty sure you did the tranny lines here. They look a little loose.